And welcome to Mr. Collins's video tutorial on how to get set up for OneDrive Business. First of all, what is OneDrive Business? Well, instead of storing your files on a USB and having to transfer it back and forth between computers, what OneDrive Business does is store all files on a cloud. What that means is, especially for Word, let's say if you're working on an app, on a document in Word, a school assignment on Word on your iPad. If you have it saving to OneDrive Business, it'll automatically upload those changes to the OneDrive Business cloud. And then when you go home, if you have OneDrive Business set up on your home PC, as soon as you turn on your PC, without you having to do anything, it'll automatically download that document onto your PC. Then you can make some changes at home and they'll be uploaded to the cloud again. So when you log into your iPad, the changes you made at home will automatically be there without you having to do anything. And so it's as if the Word document it doesn't live on your iPad, it doesn't live on your PC, it'll automatically be transferred, it's seamless, it's really good to do assignments at school and at home without having to worry about bringing USB or losing the files or anything. It's a fantastic resource. It takes a little while to set up though. First thing is you need to get set up online. So what you need to do is type in OneDrive Business. Now you will notice there's also OneDrive without the business. OneDrive Business is what the school pays for to give you 1 terabyte of storage. You can store so much on there. I think that's what it is. Now, you'll have to sign in with your school email account. Mine's danielc@brisbane.coc.edu. Yours will be your student number at brisbane.coc.edu. Now, I've done this before, so I don't have to put in my password, but you will have to put in your password. It'll send you to Office 365, and then voila, up it comes. Here's all the documents I've already uploaded to my OneDrive. It's 2015 planning, so my planning on OneNote, and I've got some other resources I've shared with teachers. So good, we're set up online. Notice I use the Windows PC to do that. Second step is to get set up on your iPad. So a few things you need to do. Now on my iPad, I'm going to click the home button. I'm going to scroll across to the App Store. Click on the App Store and type in up in the search bar OneDrive Business, where you want the OneDrive Business, not the other one, and you can click Open. Actually, yours will be Download. Now, it'll prompt you to sign in. I've already done that, and you can see the same documents I've got here on my iPad. So now I've downloaded that app. What was step 2? Go back to Word. What would it say? Get set up on your iPad. Word app. I need to get the Word app. And it's the same thing again. You go to the App Store, you download the Word app, and that's what I'm using. I'm in the Word app right now. Next, you need to save a document to OneDrive Business. Now, changes will automatically be saved. You can click that button to save. I'm going to click the back button now. And it's got save as. It says, I don't want you to access the document before you've saved it. I can save to my iPad, but I don't want that. I want it to be saved to the cloud. So the OneDrive cloud. I'm going to click Add a Place. And it says connect to a cloud service. I'm going to connect to this one. I'm going to click Sign In. So I'm going to type in my email address, danielc@brisbane.coc.edu.au. Now, if you've already signed into a OneDrive account and it's not the OneDrive Business, you're going to have to sign out before you do this. If you've already signed in. If you've already signed in using your school email address, then fantastic, it's going to work. I'm going to click Next, and it's going to bring me to that Office 365 page again. I'm going to pause it because I don't want you to see my password as I type it in. So I've saved it, I've put it in, and look, now this document, which I've named Document 8, I'm going to rename that to ODB for OneDrive Business. And then I'm going to click up here, Save. So now this document is saved on OneDrive Business. It's not saved on my iPad anymore. OneDrive Business Setup ODB. That's one I did before. Didn't end up using it. Okay, let's go back to this document. I'm going to click Refresh. And see, look, I'm now on my Windows side. I'm on the online side. And ODB, that document I just saved on my iPad, is now, I can see it's stored on the cloud. But to make things even better, I need to do step 3. Let's go back to the iPad. So let's open up OneDrive Business. What was step 3? So it's actually, see, it actually has to download it every time because it's not stored on the iPad, it's stored on the cloud. Server document, file is read-only, tap edit. I'm going to tap edit so I can see. Now I've tapped edit, loading for edit. Good, I can make some changes now. It says get set up on your PC. This is what you need to do on your PC. Come over here and then click the sync button. Now get the OneDrive Business app that's right for me. It'll prompt you to download a OneDrive Business app. I won't run you through those steps. You can search some tutorials about how to do that. But basically, when you've done it, you'll see a few things. Under all programs, you'll see under Microsoft Office 2013, you'll find OneDrive Business. On the menu bar, you'll see this. And also, you can change the file location. I've just done the default one. On a computer, you'll have a little icon here saying OneDrive for Business. And the changes that you make online will automatically be reflected here. Well, look, it just did it right then because I checked it. See, before, it just downloaded that ODB file. So if I open this up, look, the file I just made on my iPad is now here. That's awesome. That's how you use OneDrive Business. Let me do one quick test. Here we go. This is a test. Haven't saved it yet. Let's go back to my iPad. Yes, these are completely separate machines. I've just got it so you can see them up. It's not on there yet. Why is it not on there? Because I haven't saved it. So I'm going to save this, save it, exit it. Now wait for that tick. When that ticks, that means it's connected. If it doesn't work, just right click and then click sync now and it'll automatically sync for you. It'll automatically upload those changes. Let's see if this works. I'm going to go back to my iPad. Then I'm going to get out of the document, go back in. It's downloading it. Whoa! Whoa! Look, it says it right there. The change I just made is now here. Let me see if it works the other way around. So let's say you are a champ. I love encouraging myself. Okay. Let's go back. Oh, it's saving. Good, it's saving it. Let's go back. Say upload pending, download. Okay, sweet. So now I'm going to go back here, syncing now. See this little thing down here? It was just syncing green. It says it's up to date now. I'll just click sync now just in case. But it says it's up to date. Let's go back to that little folder that I showed you before. Where is it? OneDrive Business folder, ODB, and what is that? Whoa! It's there! It automatically changed. So that's how quick and easy it is to use OneDrive Business.